Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, how to hide cables under your desk. As you can see, this doesn't look nice. Your setup may be something like this, or maybe you have to build your setup and you don't want to have it look like this. I can understand. This is an example of how it should be, and this is all nice and clean, and if you were to stand here you cannot see any cable, so that is very nice. And also in this example it's a lot of cables, so yeah, it's nicely worked away. So here's basically what you can do. You can use clips as in the picture shown. Very easy and not expensive at all if you just want to do it very easy and quick. You can also use a tube to hide away all the cables in one place. You can also use a hole in your desk, but I would not advise to drill or dig a hole into the desk because that would be a waste. And then you can also use a tray, but that needs a little investment. I personally would not advise this, but I do have something that I will advise, but I will get to it very quickly. Yeah, so here you can also use some extra stuff, a cord hider. You can also use it like behind your desk or under your desk to the power supply. But this is what I would recommend. You all use the cable management net because it's so easy. It's also easy to set up. It's a little investment, but this will get the job done for all your cables, and you only get one cable to the power supply. And this is another example, nicely worked away. Like, this is just clean, and this is how I would hide my cables under the desk. I can also show you some examples here. As you can see, this is on Amazon. This is the little investment you have to make, $27.90. And this is what you get. So as you can see, you will get the mounting template, anchor suspensions, seven screws, a screwdriver, cable tie 10 times, 5 times the cable velcro, that's to tie your cables together to make it even more clean, and some cable clips which you can paste under your desk to even make it more nicer for you. It's very easy to actually install. You can just put the plate under the desk and then screw the six, what is it, the six suspensions to the desk. You even get one extra, which is good, and then you can apply it like that. It's very easy. You can also, if you want to search the link, I will put the link in the description and you can look it up for yourself. Yeah, guys, how to hide your cables under your desk. I think this is what you should get. This is the best. And then I also have this one here. It's also on Amazon. I think this is the best tube you can use because you don't have to put like all the cables through it. You can also put one cable out of here. I cannot show you very good, but you can. Yeah, it's very easy. I don't know if it's in the picture here, but yeah, it's nicely together, all the cables, and as you can see, yeah, it's just nice. So that's basically what I would use. That's basically the video for today. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe would be appreciated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you back here soon, but for now, I'm out. Peace!